Hi, I'm Gary and welcome to part 5 of my garden office build. Today we're looking at raising the walls. With the concrete slab gone off completely, it is time for the walls. The first two courses will be with regular house bricks. The most important part of the tools is of course the site radio tuned in and ready to go. The first two courses were laid using a laser level for straightness and a line for height. A damp-proof membrane is laid on top as the damp course. Wildlife is never far away when there's construction going on. Halfway along the sidewalls, the course has been laid at double width. This is to create a central pillar in the wall that will support the ridge of the roof at each end and add strength to the wall itself. With the base course set, the walls can go up. We're using 100mm thermalite blocks because they're strong, relatively light and have very good insulating properties. These can be reasonably easily cut to size using a hammer and bolster. And as you can see, we're continuing the mid-wall column as well to help support the roof. As the courses rise up, you can start to see the openings for two doors and a window. A thinner capping piece is used to make sure the top of the door aperture is at the right height, and with that in place, a pre-stressed concrete lintel can be put across each of the door and window gaps to support the final two courses of brickwork above. With the walls up to height, a wooden frame is added to the top course, which will be the base for the roof structure later. So there we go. I hope you found it useful and I hope you enjoyed it. Do check out the rest of the series. Hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.